In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the favicon on your Wix website. A favicon is that small yet distinctive icon that represents your website in the browser tab. It's like a little piece of your brand that can enhance your site's professionalism and recognition. Updating it might seem like a minor task, but it can leave a lasting impression on your visitors. So let's get started. First things first, you need to access your site's dashboard. Begin by logging into your Wix account. If you have multiple websites, you'll want to select the specific site for which you wish to make the change. Once you're logged in and the right site is open, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage all aspects of your site. Next, it's time to navigate to the website settings. Move your attention over to the left-hand menu. It's your go-to navigation tool here. Click on Settings, then follow through to Website Settings. This is where you'll find a host of options available for making changes and updates to your site. Now scroll down until you spot the favicon section. It's usually tucked somewhere below other vital settings like SEO tools or social media connections. Once you find it, click on Update Image. Here, you'll be able to upload a new image that will serve as your favicon. For this step, click on Upload Images. A window will pop up, granting you the option to either upload a brand new image from your computer, or if you've already got something suitable uploaded in your Wix account, you can pick it from your media manager. Selecting the right image is crucial. Remember, the ideal favicon is simple and corresponding to your brand's essence. After you've uploaded your image, you'll need to select it for use. Simply hover over the image you want and click on Choose File or Add to Page. This finalizes your selection in the current settings. To bring all these changes to life, you'll need to save them. Click on Save to make your new favicon live on your website. Keep in mind, sometimes it might take a little while for the changes to propagate and for your new favicon to make its grand debut on your browser tab. Here's a quick heads up before we wrap up. Uploading a custom favicon is a feature that requires a premium or upgraded Wix account. If you're using a free version, you won't have the option to upload a custom favicon image. So it's something to consider if you're very attached to maximizing your site's customization potential. And that's it! You've successfully updated your favicon, giving your website a professional touch. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips on managing and enhancing your online presence.